Welcome to Stone Emotions, where tradition meets technology, and raw stone is transformed into timeless design. And we don't walk alone, we grow with others. We collaborate with small manufacturers, empowering units with just 1 or 2 machines, giving them consistent work and helping them scale alongside us. Our in-house CNC machines carve intricate designs into natural stone, from modern panels to classical motifs, all custom-tailored for interior and exterior elegance. But Stone Emotions is more than just machines. Our skilled craftsmen use traditional hand tools to bring soul into stone, creating products that feel alive with character and craftsmanship. Here, every creation begins with precision. Watch as massive blocks are face cut to form stunning wall claddings, symmetrical, bold, and architecturally refined. With advanced bridge cutting, calibrated tumbling, edge finishing and texturing, each piece is engineered to perfection, both in aesthetics and application. Stone Emotions, where every stone tells a story and every process is a promise of quality.